Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed into the correct Google account and online. Let's start. Open Contacts. Google, Com in a browser or the Contacts app on your phone. Once done, make sure two-factor prompts are cleared so restore options appear. If you exported previously, have the VCF or Google Export zip ready in Downloads. Now, look for the left menu, More, or the hamburger icon. That's where Import and Restore live. Begin by selecting Import or Restore to bring backup controls into view. Once the menu is open, choose Restore if you want to revert to a snapshot within 30 days, select the date and confirm. This overwrites current contacts, so be sure. If you have a VCF or CSV, pick Import, then choose the file from Downloads or Google Drive and pick the target account. Make sure duplicate handling is set the way you prefer so you don't get many repeated entries. After import completes, Google will show a confirmation of imported contacts. Finish by syncing your device. Go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, right arrow Sync Contacts, and force a sync. Once synced, open Contacts and verify groups and filters so imported entries are visible. If contacts are missing, make sure you use the correct account and that the Contacts app isn't hiding groups. As a quick fix, re-import the VCF or export again, clear app cache or retry in another browser or device. This often resolves permission or caching errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.